You're probably here because you see a business opportunity as it pertains to artificial turf. Maybe you live in a warmer climate, maybe you're in a colder climate, but artificial turf is growing. As a matter of fact, in 2023, the market cap for the United States was 3.9 billion, with that expected to reach over 7.6 by 2030. So you're in the right spot today to learn and hear about some of the demand that we're going to be seeing across the board. So why artificial turf? Well, there's a number of different signs that lead people to turf, because some of those people are looking for a yard where they can enjoy their Saturday. You're going to start seeing that a lot of people, especially with pets, are wanting to be able to have them enjoy without having to clean up the residue of what a pet might leave. You're also looking for somebody who might enjoy the game of golf. Efficiently build out a putting green is something that's going to enhance your services. And let's not forget that there are a ton of different customers coming your way who are looking to conserve water. We see across the nation different states that are looking to conserve water as well as offer rebates. So knowing how to install turf will set you up to be able to capture those leads and win those jobs. One reason for artificial turf is the very low maintenance that's associated with it. Unlike real grass, you don't have to mow it, you don't have to fertilize it. There's certain things that need to be done, but that is one of the reasons that people are attracted to it and will continue to see that rise in popularity. Artificial turf has come a long way. Maybe some of you are like me who, when I first thought of turf, thought of AstroTurf, or I thought of turf as it was on those hot sunny days playing football. Maybe you're accustomed to seeing that thin carpet layer that was on your grandma's front doorstep. The visibility, how realistic it looks to not only the view, but also to the feel. With the warranties over 15 years, life expectancies to go past 20 years, turf is a great option for everyone. As was my experience when I was first introduced to turf, I was amazed at how realistic it looked, how soft it felt, and what it was able to do in my yard. Looking at expanding markets, as of now, you might be thinking it might be limited to just residential yards, but as we look further, more and more states, more and more cities will be expanding their offering to where we can now offer turf on a commercial level. We're getting into more fields. You're starting to see turf pop up at concert venues, on rooftops. Another key point of why you're here is the high profit margins. Unlike other traditional service type businesses in the artificial turf space, we see on average our customers earning over 40% profit margins. That is due to relatively low cost of materials, but highly skilled labor to go out and complete these jobs. Being able to scale your business quickly will allow you to get in and be able to capture some of those margins. Another appealing side of this is the recurring revenue opportunities. Obviously, in a service-based business, you're going to get in, do the job, but in the turf industry, what's not commonly known is the ability to upcharge and do yearly freshen ups where you're able to go back, agitate those blades, add more info perhaps. If the homeowner happens to have a pet, be able to go back and deodorize their yard. This is going to happen no matter what with pets. And so adding that as a part of your service, again, will generate more recurring revenue. Let's talk about scalability. For some service businesses, you might be pigeonholed into one type of area, but with turf, it allows you to maybe start small, do that friends and family neighbor job, but then from there be able to get into commercial jobs where you might be working with private schools, public schools. Opportunities are endless. Maybe you already own a landscape business but are looking to enhance your services and add turf. Same could be said if you're a first-time entrepreneur looking to start a turf business and how you might be able to scale from there. A lot of our customers start in turf, but then they're able to expand. As you're starting to see pavers around turf, curbing, if you have the tool, the team, you might be able to scale your services outside of just turf, which is another reason why you want to consider and go forward with this course. One of my favorite reasons for trying to get people into turf is talking about the low barrier of entry. We see on average that turf companies are booked out anywhere from 2 to 3 months during their peak season. That provides opportunity for people who are looking to start their own business to be able to get in and take care of some of that demand that we see across different states. If you look at other types of businesses, whether that be in the service-based, tech-based, oftentimes they're pretty hard to get into. But in a service-based model, such as artificial turf, I truly believe that you can be in the upper half day one if you're able to set up your website, have a phone number that works, do the things that you say you're going to do. By doing those things, you'll be in the upper half day one. For example, have you ever worked with a contractor, maybe remodeling a home, finishing some type of service outside? The chances are that maybe your experience hasn't been that great. And that's not a knock on contractors. It shows the opportunity that you have to come in and right away establish yourself as being somebody different. Like I've mentioned, having a working website, form that's able to be filled out, a phone number that's able to be reached, and you as the entrepreneur being responsive. Doing those things may sound simple, but it's not being done across the services industry. And then from there, it's all about how do I continue to scale, right? This course is going to help you scale up to where you're in the upper third and you're able to take home those very high profit margins, which I'm sure is what we all want. That is why you're here. Aside from the demand being at an all-time high, we're going to walk you through the steps to ensure that you, your team, your crew are able to install turf the right way to go get those jobs.